Unlock the secret to stunning landing pages that convert. Discover how to create a catching designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. Your design skills needed ready to boost your businesses. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back. In this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So to get started, all I have to do is just sign up, then you write your email address and your password, and you get started. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop features, a vast library of templates and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So right now I will show you here we have our various options and the various information. You can just read it to more understand about Canva. Then we have your design spotlight like document, you have photo and videos, print, marketing, and we have your business, Canva enterprise, sorry, then we have Canva themes, contact sales, business solutions, use case, resources also. Then we have your education, teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, then you have LMS integrations, case studies, higher education also, then you have your plans and pricing like the free one, pro one, and we have teams and enterprise. You can just click over the one you want to know and then you get your information. Then you have a Canva blog, design school events, help center also. So to get started, all I have to do is just sign up and find your account if you already you did your inscription with Canva. So this is the homepage of Canva and this is my account. So to create a landing page on Canva, you have just to start by selecting a landing page template from the option available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. With Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So here we have search your content and Canva. I will search about the thing that I want, for example, landing page, of course. I will select it. Then we have this 20,000 templates. So I will just select the filters that I want. For example, here all categories, or you have just business, social media only, education, video, or marketing only, print products. Then we have your style. You select the one you want, the themes also, language, feature. We have grade, subject, topic, and if you scroll down, we have the price if you want the pro one or the free one. I will select the free one, then I will click over apply, and I will find only the free landing page. So as you can see, I will select this one for example, then I will click over customize this template. As you can see, here we have the home page. If you want to modify all things, first of all, here we have design. You can search about thing. If you don't like this one, you can just search about another one. So this is the one that I choose. We have other results here and other styles also. We have your recently used combinations, color palettes, font sets, recent design styles, image palettes, and also here we have elements. About this one, we have here shapes, prototype graphics also, EA image generator, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables. So you choose the one you want. And we have text here. If you want to add a text box, you click over here. Then you add whatever you want here. Then if you want to delete it, you have just to delete it. For example, I want to delete this one. I will just delete it and add whatever I want. For example, I want to delete this one. I will delete it and I will write my paragraph text. Then here we have brand kit. You can add your brand fonts, as you can see. Then we have here default text style. For example, add a heading, add a subheading. Then we have add a little bit of body text, and we have also here recently used, for example, here we have this one. As you can see, if you want to come back, you can just click over here and you come back like the photo in the first impression. You have your font combinations, you choose the one you want. Then we have your print templates, print kits. We have your logos, you can upgrade to add a logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have your uploads. You can upload files, record yourself, have your videos, audio, and other things. Then you have your draw. You can just write whatever you want, for example, like that. You can draw whatever you want. Then you select the color that you want. If you wanna delete it, you click over here. It's a eraser. It's a eraser here. So I will select it, as you can see. So if you wanna come back, you can just go over here and you come back. Then if you wanna color here, then we have also, if you wanna add a page, if you wanna zoom, I will zoom, of course, because it's too short. And we have here also scroll view. We have grid view. Then we have as Canva. And then we have here open menu, as you can see. Then we have here file. You can just create new design if you want, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, version history, move to trash, find or replace text, and open in desktop app. Also suggests improvement. Then we have a resize. We have auto translate, transform into doc, and we have editing here. And we have if you want to come back, and this is Indo, and this is Redo. Then we have your all changes, saves. Then we have here, if you want to try Pro, if you want to add another account, then we have here insights. Here we have current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then we have share if you want. So this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible. So Canva empowers you to create stunning landing page effortlessly, blending creativity with functionality. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.